Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable color adjustment in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to accessibility option. After that go to vision enhancements and then scroll down a bit, and here you can see color correction option. Then just tap here. And that's it. Now if you cannot find color adjustment option in your phone, then you can look for color correction option in your phone. Both are same settings. Now just tap here to enable color correction or adjustment. And it's done. You can see in my phone it's enabled successfully. Now if you go to same settings again, now here you can see 4 options of color correction: dew tone, pro tone, tree tone and grayscale, and you can choose any option as you want. And that is how you can enable color adjustment in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.